Alright, syempre, lahat po tayo tumayo. Oh.
Ayun, mabait naman siya. Pero magaling mo siya sumagot. I mean, pag sinasabi ka lang yung dahilan.
Papasaw-saw.
Pero
Alright, dahil nandito na ang ating kids, syempre, kikilalanin muna natin sila. Of course, before tayo...
Ako po ay si Anissa.
Okay, saan po siya namamasyal? Sa SM North. Okay, hi! Good morning! Anong pangalan nila?
Alonso.
Alonso, saan namamasyal si Alonso?
SM.
Sa SM. Okay, hi! Good morning! Anong pangalan nila?
What's your name daw?
Johnny Patamatawa.
Okay, complete name. Okay, saan naman namamasyal?
Where will you go?
Sa SM Supermarket. Okay, parang sila ata ang may-ari ng SM Supermarket. Sorry. Hi, what's your name?
SM Supermarket.
Sa SM Supermarket din. Okay. Hi, what's your name?
Tina.
Saan namamasyal si Athena? Sa? Sa Circle City. Okay, dahil maraming playgrounds, right? Hi, what's your name?
Arvin.
Saan namamasyal?
Sa bahay lang.
Sa bahay lang. Sa bahay lang kasi magdamag na ano?
Kasi nabahay. Nagpahinga.
Nagpapahinga. Okay, what's your name? Saan namamasyal?
Pagod niya.
Sa SM. Hello, what's your name? Saan namamasyal? Sa bahay lang. Totoo ba to, Mami? Okay, what's your name? Saan namamasyal?
Sa bahay.
Sa bahay lang din. Okay. Lassie, hi, what's your name? Saan namamasyal?
Ayun na, namamasyal na.
Okay, later na natin to. And of course, ang ating birthday celebrant. Hi, Genesis. Saan namamasyal si Genesis? Sa UP. Wow. Yes, of course, sobrang lawak doon, right? Sa UP. Of course, at dahil dyan, yes, open. Alright, dahil complete na sila, i-explain na ni Ate Ash ang ating games. So for our first mock games, ay tinatawag natin na the Ronald McDonald Mac Shopping. Alright? Dahil birthday ni Genesis, you need to buy something for Genesis. These things are, number 1, panyo. Number 2, lip tint or any kind of lipstick. Number 3, wallet. And number 4, cell phone. Cell phone na basag-basag. Okay, charot lang yun. Cell phone. And lastly, number 5, a paper boat. Okay, you can use our tray mats para makagawa ng ating paper boat. Okay, later kids. Yes. Next, ano to? Ano to? Saan table ka? Saan na table ka? Mami, next? Okay, ano to? Okay lang to. Kahit na parang hinango pa sa tubig. And dahil complete ang ating kids, lahat sila may prizes galing kay Genesis. Congratulations! Alright, at dahil dyan na naman, May 13, congratulations! Okay, actually lahat sila tama, nagkakabulol-bulol lang sila. Okay, congratulations kids, lahat ng kids ulit here in front. That's one. Ayan po, naku talaga, napakalaking aberya talaga. Let's welcome Green May! Hi, Green May!
You go to the
You can blow your candle, Genesis. Alright, thank you very much. And of course, thank you.
bowel.
Being smart, good girl, respect to your elders, and
Alright, thank you very much to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Siyempre, yung mas malakas pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Alright, thank you very much. Thank you very much and all kids, friends, family, picture taking po for Grimace.